Hello, this is Uncle Jackie. Uncle Jackie is Taiwanese, live in America. So today Uncle Jackie want to show you how to make America style fried rice. Let's do. Okay, first thing we need to prepare some ingredients. Okay, the most important thing of fried rice is fried rice itself. So all America like microwave. So every food can be microwave. Like even bacon, you have microwave for bacon. Even the instant noodle. Say you buy some instant noodle from supermarket. You also can see the direction on the instant noodle. Say, hey, put in a microwave for 3 minutes. Okay, so for fried rice, we also have microwave for fried rice. And then this is your secret weapon. Uncle Jackie buy it from Costco. Yes, it's microwave fried rice. Okay, wait. Before you close the video, I want to tell you some secret. Okay, even it's microwavable. If you don't have time, you get in rush, you just put in this thing in microwave, and every 3 minutes you can get the delicious fried rice. But today Uncle Jack want to show you how to make delicious fried rice, even use the microwavable fried rice. So the secret is fried rice, cold fried rice has two words, fry and rice, right? So the secret is the fry. You need to make the rice fry. Okay, so after the rice fry, then you will make it delicious. So how to make rice fry? You need toast it. Right? You use your frying pan or your wok. You toast the fry, and when cooking, then you make the fried rice. Okay, the thing is, not everyone familiar to toast the rice, right? Like Auntie Hersha you see on the YouTube video, she failed. So Uncle Jackie has a secret weapon called a frying pan. I use frying pan to toast the rice, but the secret is this special frying pan is designed specially for toast. Okay, you see have a very big chain at the front, so when you toast the rice, it will easy to keep your rice in your pan. So this is Uncle Jackie's secret weapon. So this thing also bought from Costco. So everything you can get it from Costco. Let's start to cooking. Okay, the first thing, you pour out the bag of the fried rice. It's all cookable. You just need to heat it, but it's frozen. So it's a lot of water inside the box. So if you use microwave, it will become too sticky. It's not tasty. It's good. It smells good, tastes good, but it's a creature is not very good to taste. It's too sticky. So the thing is, you just open it. So I use the frying pan to cook it. The thing is, you open the bag, put in your special frying pan, turn on the fire. Okay, after you put in your rice, open the rice, put in frozen rice into your frying pan. The important thing is you don't touch it. You just wait the fire, just put all the frozen water to the steam, and then you start to cook. So we just be patient to wait it until the rice is dry. Okay, we just wait. Let me check the fire. It's good enough. Did you hear the sound? The sizzling sound? Yeah, it's become because the frozen, some icy. It's become because the heat is melt and start to steam it out. And at this time you can see I try to toast. You can see it stick on my pan. So be patient. Don't touch it. Still wait. Waiting. Be patient. It's about a couple minutes, 2 or 3 minutes. You just wait it until entire rice is dry. Wait. You can see the color is turned from the white to a little bit dark because the ice is melting, and the white ice is just turned to the steam out. You can see, you can hear the sound, and then you can feel the water just gone. Not yet, not yet, not yet. Okay, here is the thing. It's almost a little bit dry, so you can start to toss. Okay, if you still afraid to toss, like you can, like Uncle Jackie, where I stand in the middle of the grass, so even you toss fail, it's okay. You don't need to clean it up. You just put it in the grass. The nature will help you to clean everything. So that's why I cook. That's why I record this video in the middle of the grass. Okay, then you can start to toast. Toast. See, it's very easy to toast. See, this pan is very easy to toast. You just toast, and heat it again. The good thing of this thing is you don't need to use a spatula. So I don't use the spatula, but I just be prepared just in case. I just put here. And use this pan, you don't need a spatula. You just toast. It will about 3 or 5 minutes. You just keep toasting. The rice is okay right now, but because we have chicken, we have some chicken in our rice, so you can cook a little bit more. Make sure the chicken is heated. And you want to more dry, you can cook more time. Right? You just keep toasting. See, this pan is very easy. You just toast. Okay, I think it's dry enough. So you see, I never use my spatula. I just toast it, right? Because it's a non-sticky frying pan. You don't need to worry about and you can toss, so you don't need to use spatula to spread it. Okay, now it's ready. You just get a big bowl and turn off the fire first, and okay, see, it's very delicious, and yeah, it's very delicious and good. Frying toast tastes good. Fried rice. Okay, then you know how to make American style fried rice with not to use microwave, use the frying pan, and this you can see it is very clean, right? After cook, it's still very clean. Enjoy your fried rice. See you next time. Bye.